Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today on Solvetic, we will see how to turn on voice chat Fortnite. Open Fortnite, click on your profile. Now click on the microphone icon. Here in the line, voice method set open mic. Then in the line, voice chat, select everybody. After that, click on open voice settings. There in the lines, voice chat input device and voice chat output device, verify that the default value is set. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.